The Unified Patent Court Agreement sets out a list of causes of action over which the UPC has exclusive competence, such as infringement, non-infringement, and revocation. This list does not expressly include arrow declarations or declarations of FRAND terms. Nonetheless, if an action is of a type which falls within the list, could the court conclude that it has power to make such a declaration? An arrow declaration is a declaration that no valid patent could be granted for a particular subject matter on the basis that the subject matter in question was not new or was obvious at a particular date. Whilst this might arguably be regarded as a protective measure within the competency of the court, it's doubtful that this was actually within the contemplation of the drafters of the UPC when they first used that term. In addition, with the exception of Dutch judges in the UPC, arrow declarations are not likely to be within the contemplation of those judges with no domestic record or experience of awarding such relief. FRAND declarations involve different considerations. It may be argued that a FRAND license is a defence to an infringement action and so falls within related defences, which are within the exclusive competence of the UPC panels. In reaching a decision on that defence, it could be argued that a UPC panel would have to decide whether the defendant was entitled to such a FRAND licence, which is tantamount to a declaration. Another potential route is that a defendant could also seek a FRAND declaration by raising it as a counterclaim concerning a licence. Either solution would appear to be straightforward if the court decides that the licence offered by the claimant is FRAND. But what if it does not? The question then becomes whether the court has the power to go on to determine what terms would be FRAND. And it remains to be seen whether the court will view the absence of an express declaratory power in its exclusive competencies as preventing it from setting FRAND terms, rather than just reviewing the offers made by the claimant.